Good morning,
Good morning,
everyone.
ma'am. Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Anshika present. How are you, ma'am?
Archit present, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fifth day, have you forgotten your rules? Should I remind you again? No one will speak now. Write your attendance in the chat box. Please do not speak. Fifth day, please take out a page and pencil. Any page and pencil. We are going to do a fun activity today. Take out a page and pencil. Be ready with a page and pencil.
Good morning.
Please do not speak in between. I know the marks I have seen. I've seen what mistakes you have done also. Yeah, any page and pencil and be ready. Switch on your videos. All right. Yeah, anything, Imakshi, pen or a pencil. We'll wait for another 1 minute if somebody joins because the strength is not very good right now. Let's see if somebody joins. I'll tell you what you have to do. Let's wait. We'll wait. Please do not unmute yourself. Hmm. All right. Yeah, Bhavya rejoined. All right.
मम्मी मैम ने
So,
मेहंदी लगा
Nandini, yes, I have put Mendi. Nandini, I can hear you, bache. Please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have also put Mendi on your hand. All right. Okay. Just a minute. Give me just 1 minute. I'll be there. Hmm. Okay. So what we are going to do today is I'm going to speak some instructions. Fine. And you have to draw. Okay. I'm going. Yes, sir. We'll do that also. What we are going to do is I'm going to tell you some instructions, then what you have to draw, how you have to draw. Okay. On basis of that instructions, you have to draw something on your paper, and I'm also drawing on here on my side. And then we'll see how many of you listen to my instructions carefully and you are able to draw it correctly. Okay. Just let me, just give me a minute. All right. People are again joining late. Are you ready with your page and pencil or a paper, pen? Everyone ready? Yes. Are you ready? Switch on your videos as well so that I can see you are doing. Manima, my video is open. No, Dhruv, any rough extra or practice notebook, any practice page, any rough page, anything. Please do not unmute yourself. Okay, I'm force muting you. Right now I'm force. Who is it? I don't understand why you sit in a place where there's TV or some other equipment is working. I have to sit in a quiet place so that you can hear me, isn't it? Okay, just a minute, class. Okay. Hmm. Draw a large square on the bottom half of your paper. Draw a large square on the bottom half of your paper. Done? Draw two small squares inside the large square at the top. Draw two small squares inside the large square at the top. The small squares should be opposite each other. The small squares should be opposite each other. Understood, class? Let me repeat again those who have joined. Draw a large square on the bottom half of your paper. Draw two small squares inside the large square at the top. The small squares should be opposite each other. Draw a rectangle under one of the small squares. Draw a rectangle under one of the small squares. Same, I am also drawing right now only. Because Ayush, you're not listening. Draw a triangle on the top of the large square. Draw a triangle on the top of the large square. Draw a triangle on the top of the large square. Draw a small circle inside the rectangle. Draw a small circle inside the rectangle. It should be in the middle of the rectangle and to one side. It should be in the middle of the rectangle and on one side. Finally, draw two lines through each small square, dividing it into four smaller squares. Finally, draw two lines through each small square, dividing it into four smaller squares. Everyone, show me your images. What is drawn? I'll take the names. You have to say yes and then show. Bhavya, unmute yourself. Okay, Bhavya, I have unmuted. Bhavya, unmute yourself. Say yes. Yes, Bhavya, show me your photo. What you have drawn. Okay. Others? Who else? Who else has drawn? Take your name, raise your hand or write your name in the chat box. Nandini, I can see Nandini was working. Nandini, say yes. Yes, Ark, say yes and show.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Ishan, show. Say yes and show. Yes, Ark, I have seen.
Thank you.
Ishan, say yes and show. Yes, I'm coming to everyone. Just wait. Okay, Ishan is writing. Yes, Ishan. Show me the picture, what you have drawn. Who is this? I don't know. Okay, Veer. Say yes, Veer. Veer, let's just say yes. Your video is not coming to me.
Ma'am, yes.
Hmm. Veer, come a little. Okay. Very good, Veer. Others? Yes, Veer, I've seen. Pragya,
Yes, ma'am.
show. Okay. Nipun, show. Nipun, say yes and show.
Ma'am, yes.
But बच्चे हाँ show. Okay, very good. All right. So Veer and Nipun were very close to what we are doing. Almost correct. See, we were drawing a house. Can you see? Okay, let me just show you. Mhm. This was the house that we have drawn. A square, two small squares, rectangle, circle on one side, and in between, and triangle on the top. Can anyone tell me what was I'm trying to do today? And there were some words that were given in instructions. What were these words and what were they telling? Yes, this is a hut. What were these words telling you? Like on the top, in between, to the side. Yes, Karnal, you can speak.
Ma'am, preposition.
Prepositions. These were the prepositions. So what does the preposition tell us? A preposition is a word. What is a preposition? Okay, before me, who will tell me the answer? What is a preposition? Ayush, you can WhatsApp me. Very good, Nipun. You can speak the answer.
A preposition is a word used to establish relationship between noun and verb and between different part of a sentence.
Very good. Prepositions are the word that links a nouns or pronouns and what they are doing with the different part of the sentences. Like I said, draw a square in between the or on the top of the larger square. On. So the word preposition was on. Right? Any doubt that what we are doing till now? Anyone? Okay. Let's see. The baby crawled towards the toy. What is the preposition here? Write your name or raise your hand. Please do not speak in between. What is the preposition here? Yes, Akshvi. Actually, you can speak.
Two words.
2 words. Very good. 2 words means on its way. Fine. 1 word is a preposition. Generally, only 1 word is a preposition. The toy was inside a box. Yes, Geet.
Ma'am, inside.
Very good. Inside. The box stood between the chair and the sofa. Yes, Himakshi.
Ma'am, between.
Between. Very good. The dog is not in the room. Very good, Akshvi. The answer is in. Not is negative. How can be not a preposition? Preposition in. Yes. Yes, Priya. Now see. Preposition are the words that show the position of the nouns. They tell us where people, objects, or things are. They are telling us the position of our nouns or pronouns. Like Geet is sitting on the chair. So on will be where Geet is sitting. It is telling the position of Geet that she is sitting on the chair. Then they show the direction of the movement, like towards the toy. The baby crawled towards the toy. It was moving in the direction of the toy. And then tell us about the time, like in the morning. Next, the next class will be after this class. So after. Fine. We are doing 3 types of preposition. Preposition of place, directions, and time. Under the chair. Very good. We under will be that below the chair. Any doubt till here? Yes, Himakshi.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in drawing.
So we were drawing a heart. What's the
Ma'am,
instruction? Himakshi, your voice is not coming. No, Himakshi, whatever I have said, we have drawn that only. Veer and Nipun has also drawn the same thing. So that means the instructions were clear. Yes, Veer.
ma'am, we are doing auxiliary verbs. Ma'am, page number 55 is incomplete.
I know, Veer, I know. I've explained you what we have done for auxiliary. We're taking prepositions. I know. We'll do auxiliary also. Don't worry. But only till now. So, bache, those who are listening will give the correct answers, Himakshi. It can be one also. You have to listen carefully. Yes, Lakshay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am,
Yes, Arshit.
ma'am, example, ma'am, the yellow house at is at 3 5 p.m. means
Which I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, example, the yellow house is at 3 but A means
Yes. Okay. But just sit in a quiet place first of all. There was a lot of disturbance. At the yellow house is at 35A. At is showing where, towards is direction, and in the spring is when. All right, let's see next. Question 1 and 2, you can do it yourself. Use the prepositions in the box given below to make meaningful sentences, like go along this main road to reach the park. So question 1 and 2 will be homework. Let me discuss one with you. Walk dash the park. You'll come dash it on the other side in 2 minutes. Walk. What will come? Walk
yes, ma'am.
dash. Do not speak, Dhruv. There is nothing to say about yes. Walk dash the park.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Yashika, do not speak in between. Walk. Very good, Pragya. Correct answer. You can speak, Pragya.
True.
Walk through the park. You will come.
Into.
No. Okay, just a minute, class. Himakshi, others has also drawn, but they have drawn a little wrong. They all were listening. Only their rectangle was wrong, others was correct.
Ma'am.
Ayush, do not speak in between. Walk through the park, you will come out of it on the other side in 2 minutes. Like this, you have to fill C, D, and E parts also. Then match the picture with its place preposition. Like the man is standing near the cycle. So what will be for this one? Boy and the car. Which preposition is apt? Car, boy. No. Okay, read the prepositions given in the blue box. Very good, Rashi. Nandini, correct answers. Akshvi, correct answer. The answer is into, because the boy is going into the car. Okay. Now these are some prepositions that we use for time, like on, in, at, since, for, past, to, from, till, until, and by. These are the some prepositions that we use for time. I get up at 6:30 in the morning. I go out to play. What will come? I go out to play. See the prepositions here. Very good. At 4:30 in the afternoon. That means at 4:30, I go out to play. 3 and 4 will be homework. Let's
Ma'am,
practice homework and we'll discuss the answers tomorrow. Now we come for, see, there are some examples given. We use for when we talk about duration. Like the exam is for 15 minutes. You ask me, na ma'am, for how much time is the exam? What is the duration? When we are talking about duration, we use for. Fine. I have been acting for 12 years. The exam is for 15 minutes. The class is for 40 minutes. So, for is telling us the duration. While. We use while when the something is happening at the time. Like, you should not use phone while driving the car. It is happening. It is in process. वो भी हो रहा है. It is in process. Fine. While you were shooting an action scene recently, an accident happened. When they were doing, when it is was happening, it was in progress. We use during to express when something is happening. See, while is used when the action is in progress, and during. We use during when we have to show that the duration, that the accident happened during the shooting, when something is happening. Clear for, while and during. Let's see the practice, then it will be more clear. I have been learning a computer language for 6 months now. Today I prepared a program dash my teacher was teaching. Action is being progressed. What will come here? Very good, Akshvi. Correct, Pragya. No. Akshvi and Pragya, correct answers. Others try. Today I prepared a program dash my teacher was teaching. Nipun, we just have to use for, while or during. Read the question, filling the blanks with for, while or during. Yes, Karnit, Rashi. Very good, everyone. The answer is while. I prepared the program while my teacher was teaching. She helped me dash her lecture. When? The question is about when now. Very good, Akshvi. She helped me. That's correct answer. During her lecture. So for is telling, yes, Karnit. For is for duration, while when the action is being performed, and for when we use during. I played with my baby sister dash some time. Very good, Rashi. For some time, she went to sleep dash we were playing. In progress while we are praying. Very good. So understood till here? Actually, Himakshi, we are discussing
yes,
something else.
ma'am.
Let's concentrate on that now.
Okay, ma'am.
Now there are some prepositions, there are some nouns when we do not use any preposition. That is for home, I went home. It does not say I went in home. So before home, we do not use any preposition, and we do not use preposition before the instrument names like violin. I practice the violin. On the violin is wrong. Fine. In this, let's practice in these 3 questions. there are some extra prepositions that you have to remove. Like our school library is in upstairs. Which is the extra preposition here? Which will you remove? Correct answer, Pragya. Ruchika, correct. Akshvi, correct. In. Very good, Veer. So the correct statement will be our school library is upstairs. We will not use any other preposition. Any doubt to in prepositions? It is a very easy topic, isn't it? We have done n number of times. Just remember this time. We have to just remember this while, for, and during. Others are very simple. Yes, Veer, you can ask.
मैम पेज नंबर 105 का लेट्स प्रैक्टिस में भी
What is the question? Ask the question. 105. Let's just see. B part. Walk through the park. Question 1 or 2, Veer?
मैम क्वेश्चन 1
Walk through the park. You will
B
come
part.
out. B part or B?
B
B for ball.
yes ma'am
Okay. Let's say it says walk through the park. Means walk by the park. You will come out of it on the other side. What is your doubt in this? What do you think will come here? Do you have any other option? We all right. After this, we have a GK class. Please rejoin. And then we'll discuss our MCQ and reference. Till then, just go and wash your eyes and rejoin at 11:30. Bye, everyone.